We got a call after tropical storm turned Hurricane Debby, caused a lot of storm surge in Crystal River, Citrus County. We have reports of manatees entrapped in a pond on a golf course. We investigated with our partners at U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, found there were 2 manatees trapped in a pond that they can't get out. So we're here today with a bunch of our partners. We're going to capture the manatees. We'll do a health assessment. They should be healthy. There's no other reason for us to be concerned.
You ready? 1, 2, 3, pull.
All right, so we were successful today. We were able to catch both manatees out of this golf course pond. We're working on the large adult female right now, but we earlier had caught the smaller of the 2 animals. It ended up being a manatee named Metwurst that was a rehab case and release here last winter and looked good, and this one looks good too. So as soon as they're done processing, we're gonna release them. So during hurricanes and tropical systems, sometimes that pushes storm surge up into areas that are coastal, gives manatees access to areas they normally can't get to. And in this case, the manatees were able to get over a golf cart path and got stuck when the water receded.